Bonnie, as we look at these numbers, does this have any effect at all on what you're expecting out of the Fed later this week?
No, these inflation numbers have come in line with what we've seen, which is really a flattening trend in inflation. And the central banks, including the Fed, have seen that inflation has not gotten to where they wanted. I don't think these numbers change anything. Of course, we do have a couple more key numbers coming out later this week. Tomorrow we have the employment cost index, and Friday we have the average hourly earnings. So everyone will be watching those as well. But no real expectation that any of this will change the Fed's thinking right now. And in general, I think the market is primed more for looking for inflation numbers that are lower rather than higher. Any number that's higher could probably be treated more like a blip.
Bonnie, answer, if you can, Alex's question. Where is inflation? When we see personal income continue to rise, disposable income rise, why aren't we seeing it show up in inflation? Are people simply saving more because they're anxious?
We have seen that the savings rate has remained elevated amongst the U.S. population, which would indicate that there is some caution, I think, around the consumer. I mean, their balance sheets are healthy. They don't have a lot of debt as they did versus 10 years ago. But in general, I think there is a conservative kind of thinking with the uncertainty going on around the world with trade and et cetera.